reports. How do people want to do this? Do they want to
Just hand them in.
last time? Yeah, pass.
Your names on them, please.
Who shall I be?
Okay, if I could have a resolution, move to that resolution. Thanks, Councillor Drummond. Seconded by Councillor Truman. Thank you. All those in favour, please say aye.
Aye.
Against? Carried. So, members' reports are tabled to the front. Yeah, they'll be in the next. Yep. Okay, move to exclude the public.
Chairman, Your Worship, before you do, I just have a query. One of the items relates to other issues on the same basis that have been discussed out of confidence. Is there any reason why that particular item, which is number 13, is in confidence?
Confused me too.
Discussed the other conflict. Have we discussed that?
The point I'm raising, other issues on that type to other areas around the lake have been debated in open forum of this council. They have not been in confidential session.
Is there some commercial issues around that? Is there?
There is, in respect that it refers to some outstanding rate issues, and there is a there is some sensitive issues in respect to it.
Your Worship, what would the sensitive issues be?
Negotiations. There are negotiations to take place should council approve us in principle around some of those rating issues and potential future funding of this particular initiative.
I would move, Your Worship, that be taken and discussed in open forum. Item 13.
Can you do that?
I think I could possibly put that, but I would prefer to keep them in confidence at this stage. As soon as I'm happy to release them as soon as we there are some individuals invoicing and what have you that we need to discuss here. So I would caution the councillors that I think that should be take advice from the officers at this stage to keep it in confidence just at this early stage. More than happy. I understand your point. There's been sort of similar programs probably around the lake that's been discussed in the open, but no doubt they started somewhere in the council originally with some conversation. So I don't know what the other members feel like.
Well, yes, Chairman, you've had Your Worship, you've had a mover and a second of a motion to release them from being in confidence.
Okay, I'm happy to probably accept that. What's name? But does anyone else want to talk in favour of talking this in public?
Can I just get some clarification, please? Then, this particular subject, will it potentially have implications on other matters that are likely to arise or have arisen in the past? Are they linked, intrinsically linked?
Perhaps one way of putting it is that councillors might feel more open to express their views in a confidential discussion than they would in an open discussion on this particular item.
At what point would you contemplate that this would go made public?
Should council decide to support the initiative, then there's no reason why it couldn't go public at that stage.
But in the worst case scenario, it would have to go public, taking a step further, that it would have to go public in the 10-year plan.
Yes, we would need to build it in as one of the initiatives in the long-term plan, which is an open basis.
I think just picking up on what Mr. Minhan said, we can talk open and frank about it. in private just at this stage, because there are some sensitivities around this particular subject, and I would feel a lot more comfortable just discussing it with the councillors first as per the agenda item in-house. But I take Councillor Boddy's point, and it's obviously been seconded by Councillor Cousins, but I would just urge caution there.
Just my only concern was that it's already been publicly discussed in the Turangi area, this item, that they knew they were talking about it today. So, but I'm not saying that so it's part of it's already out there, but I appreciate your comments about that some would rather maybe talk in private.
So, Councillor Boddy's moved it, Councillor Cousins seconded it. Anyone else want to talk in favour of that? Does anyone want to talk against it?
Oh, I'd just support your comments, Your Worship. But, I think it would be wise to discuss it in confidentiality, and we can have an open discussion, and then if the time is right, we can put it straight out to the community. But I think it's wise to discuss it.
Based on that, I withdraw my seconder. Sorry, John. Back on.
I'm hurt, Councillor Cousins.
Okay.
You know where I live.
I love the way you still laugh.
Oh, yeah.
Indeed, I think the earliest we can get information out, the better. This is the first time we've got together as a council to discuss this item. Just need to understand it fully before we make some public comments. All right, so that's withdrawn, and Anna's moved. Someone
To go into confidence.
and to the other secretary, Councillor Ackley. All those in favour, please say aye.
Aye.
Those against, carry.